In this lesson, we'll start our another song, As You Know, from the movie New York by KK. So let me first play a little bit of the song, then we'll break it down and we'll learn some few more chords here also. Good luck. So the song goes like this. यारो जी भर के झील पर लगता है आजकल दौर अपनाएगा। यारो जो खुद पे हो यकीन तो जिंदगी हंसी तुझे कल बुलाएगा। है जुनू सा जीने में So now let's break down each of the section. So for this song we need to learn three new chords, which is F major, D minor and A minor. So let's start with F major, and this might be a little bit difficult, but we'll try and start. So for F major chord, we place the index finger and we try to press it on the first and the second string. Okay, we kind of place it like a bar. Actually later on we'll try to do it like this, but for now let's not get into that. So we'll try to use our first finger, we'll try to press the first and the second string together at once like this, and then we add the second finger on the third string second fret, and then third finger on the fifth string third fret, and the fourth finger on the fourth string third fret. Okay, so index finger will be pressing first and second string, second finger we place it at third string second fret, third finger at fifth string third fret, fourth finger at fourth string third fret. So this is our F major chord, and don't bother if you are not getting very much clear sound at this stage. You will have to practice it a bit and then eventually you will get it. It is, a bit harder chord at this stage, but we'll try. So this is our F major chord. So you have to practice it like this. Just give 4 down strokes, lift the finger, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. And you have to practice it again and again so that you get the hold of it, because then only you should move towards the song. So this you have to practice F chord again and again, and our next chord will be D minor chord. So you don't have to hurry to the next chord, just practice the F chord again and again, pause the video and then later on come to get the chords. So this is our D minor chord. Index finger will place at the first string first fret, second finger at third string second fret, third finger we place at second string third fret. Okay, so this becomes our D minor chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. First you have to get used to of the shape. Okay, some people also hold it like this. Instead of third finger, they use the pinky finger on the second string third fret. So whatever feels comfortable to you, you can use that position. I sometimes use this position and sometimes use this position. So you can choose according to your comfortability. That depends on the individual. There is no hard and fast rule, but usually it is recommended to start with this position. So you can practice it again and again. And then our another one chord is A minor chord. So for the A minor chord, we use index finger at second string first fret and then second finger on 4th string 2nd fret, and the third finger on 3rd string 2nd fret. So index on the 2nd string first, second finger on the 4th string 2nd fret, and the third finger on the 3rd string 2nd fret. This becomes our A minor chord. This is the most common chord. 3, 4. So this is how you have to practice it again and again. So you have learned 3 new chords: F major, and then D minor, and then A minor. Okay, so these 3 chords you have to practice again and again, and then let's try the song Hai Junoon. So the rhythm of the song is like this. I'm holding C chord, so it is down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. Let me try again. Down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. Try to play along with me. Down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. So that is one cycle. Let's try again. Down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. One more time. Down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. Okay, now let's try to play in continuity. So it will go like this: down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, down. And for the intro, you have to practice first the chord shifting. So there are sudden moves between C, F and C, G. Okay, so it goes like this. You have to practice first like this. Give 2 downstroke on C, give 2 on F, 2 on C, 2 downstroke on F. Just practice it again and again. F, and in the same manner you have to practice C and G also, which might be a bit easier for you because you know you have played it before in the Mera Man song. So C. So we are here kind of trying to put all the fingers at once. So for this you have to work on it a little bit. Try to move all your fingers at once. So because here we don't have much time to put fingers while we add the rhythm, because intro is very fast. So you can practice it: C, F, C, and then G. We started chord shifting with putting fingers one by one, and slowly we'll move to these kind of things where we are putting all the fingers at once, because our ultimate aim is to actually play it like this, but for beginners we start with putting fingers one by one. C, F, C. So this is kind of your next level of flowing, where you are trying to so this is kind of your next level where you are trying to put all the fingers at once on the chords. C, F, C, and G. So then we try to add the lyrics with the downstrokes. So you just have to practice the rhythm on just any one of the chords. Don't go into adding the rhythm and shifting together. For now, just practice rhythm alone on just one chord. in the next lesson we'll combine the rhythm and the chord shifting, but here we'll try only to add vocals with the downstrokes so that it will make us habitual of the chord shifting, because there are few new chords. So let's start with vocals. So it will go like this. We are starting from C. यारो जी भर के झील पल लगता है आजकल दौर अपना आएगा, यारो जो खुद पे हो यकीन तो जिंदगी हंसी तुझे कल बुलाएगा, यारो जी भर के झील पल लगता है आजकल दौर अपनाएगा, यारो जो खुद पे हो यकीन तो जिंदगी हंसी तुझे कल बुलाएगा, है जुनून साचीने में, है जुनून है जुनून साचीने में. And after that it is na 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 na. And the same thing is also in the starting. Now let's move to the next section. कहीं जैसे कोई धुन बजे राहों में देखो है मंजिल सजे सारे हम जहाँ में हर जगह सपने सजाने की हमको मिली वजह कहीं जैसे कोई धुन बजे राहों में देखो है मंजिल सजे सारे हम जहाँ में हर जगह सपने सजाने की हमको मिली वजह. So you can just practice first till this section again and again, then try to move to the next section where we'll be starting with D minor chord. ये अगर जो सच नहीं तो सच भला है क्या, यारो अपने हिसाब से दिल की किताब पे कुछ तो नया लिखो, यारो अनजानों की फिक्र न करती ये उम्र फिर क्यों भला डरो, है जुनून साचीने में, है जुनून है जुनून सासी